Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2008 Toyota Camry with a 2.4 motor, and we're going to go over how you would install your ignition coil. There's going to be four ignition coils. So there's 4 ignition coils on this vehicle, one per cylinder, and this is cylinder 1, 2, 3, and then they go along there. This is a straight 4. You're going to take your ignition coil and you're going to put it on top of the spark plug and then press it down. And when it sits down, then you have a 10mm bolt that you need to install and tighten that. And then connect your electric connector and press it in until it clicks. And so that's how you install your ignition coil, and you just repeat that 4 times if you're replacing all 4 at the same time. Well, thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.